Hello everyone. So let's say you are stuck somewhere where you don't have access to the Wi-Fi and you need to use your computer to, let's say, send an email or whatever. Your phone is not going to work for you because you want to use the keyboard. So basically in this video I will show you how you can access to the internet via your phone. So the way you do it is click on apps and then go to settings. Once you get to settings, all the way here on top, click on connections. Okay, so somewhere here in the middle, you have mobile hotspot and tethering. Click on that. And as you see here, you have mobile hotspot way on top. Then you can just slide this button and then it's gonna ask you to turn off the Wi-Fi. Basically, the phone is gonna do it itself because I have a Wi-Fi in my apartment, so it's connected to Wi-Fi. Now it's gonna disconnect from the Wi-Fi. If I click on OK, it's gonna do that. But at the same time, as you see here, my phone is gonna be the hotspot for my computer. So you can click on OK if you are interested to read all the details about hotspot. But other than that, once you are connected to hotspot, let me click on this one, you will be able to enter your password. I already did this before, so it remember my password. It's my pass123. But if this is your first time, you click on that and you enter the password that you're gonna use, because you don't want somebody else to access your hotspot. So let me save that and let me go to my computer and see if I can access to the internet via my phone. And as you see here, the name of my phone, it ends with 4662. It's a Samsung Galaxy J7 Prime. Let's do that then.
This is actually my Wi-Fi, so I'm just gonna disconnect that and let's see if I can connect to the hotspot. As you see here, my computer detected this hotspot of my phone, if you remember. So I just click on that and say connect. Click connect. Now it's gonna ask me for my password. I'm gonna enter the password that I just set on my phone, my pass123, and I click OK. And now let's see if I'm gonna connect. Okay, so if I go to start and just look what's gonna happen here, I'm gonna connect. All right, as you see here, I am connected to Google and I'm still in my Samsung. Okay, see, connected to my Samsung, and I can search anything I want. Let's say Real Madrid, and I can browse using my phone as a hotspot. Thank you very much for watching and hope to see you in my next video. Thank you.